Hi everyone, my name is Hitesh and today we'll be solving an easy level question from LeetCode, and the name of question is delete character to make fancy string. Let's see the input. You will be having an input L double E triple E T C O D, and you have to print the output L double E T C O D. Let me explain you that what the question is. Suppose you have multiple characters, and in between, if you are iterating through your character, and suppose on your left side and on your right side, if you found the same particular character, then you have to delete that particular character. Let me to make you a little bit more clear. Suppose I have word lead code L triple E time. I hope you understand it. So suppose I have this particular string, okay, and if I will iterate on each particular string, see, suppose for L, I do not have anything from on my left side, but I have on my right side E. So I did not need to worry about this L. Okay, let's come on to the E. I have L on the left side and right on the E side. So not it is not matching. E is not matching with L. Okay, so I will iterate here. For this one, this position equal to 0 1 2. For position equal to 2, P equal to for P equal to 2C. On the left side I have the same character, and on the right side I have the same character. So what I have to do, I have to delete this character, and by doing so I will be keep on iterating and keep on checking that for one particular character, uh, on its left side it is whether it is having the same character which is matching with exactly the same character, and on the right side whether I'm having the same character which is matching with this particular character, through in which I am iterating. So if it is so, I will be deleting that particular character, and I will be doing for this whole string. So after deleting it, I will having a new string will be L E, not this one, this E, L T C O D, and again we will iterate for this one E. See, for this E, I have deleted this one, so I will not be checking this one. I will be checking this E, this one. So on the left it find E, but on the right it find L, so this E will not get deleted. Well, let's come on to the L. L on the left, E and T both are different, so L will also not get deleted. Similarly for the T, similarly for the C, similarly for the O, similarly for the D. And we have to check one more thing, that we need to check after E or before L. So we'll get start with 1. We'll get start our iteration from here. We'll starting our iteration from here, not from here, because before L there is nothing. And we have to make sure also that when we reach at the end of the string, we'll be stopping it here. We'll be stopping our string here, not here, because if we are stopping it here, we have to check that after that, the character which is after E, whether it is matching. But actually there is no character after E, so we have to make sure that we start with I equal to 1 position and end our loop before a length, just before length from here on D position. So this is all the things which you need to keep in your mind. I have already done the code. Let me to show you how that's working. Since you know strings are immutable in Java, so you cannot perform any operation in Java, and for that purpose only I use the concept of string builder, where you can do changes, and once you do the changes in the string buffer, later you can convert string buffer object into string object, and you can return your output in the form of string only. So that's why I did created string buffer here. And after that you can see that I have inserted all the element in the string buffer. After inserting all the element, I started my loop with value 1. I hope you understand why I said why you need to start with the value 1. I have started my loop with value 1, and then I iterated, and then I here checked the particular conditions, and if the character before and if the character after, if it is matching, then delete that particular. We were having a delete function in string buffer, delete caret, and it will delete the particular element which will be there in the particular position. So I have this delete caret position. Remember that this particular function, delete caret, function in string. So by doing so, you'll be able to solve a question. Let's directly submit this. And in the last, I have returned this in the form of string object. Let us submit this. So I hope that you have understand this question. Okay, bye.